Hello everyone. I welcome you all in the 3ds Max tutorial. This is number 32. So this is also a continuation of the polymodeling. As I am going into the perspective view. So far we covered actually, let's say, the box again, the box. Okay, box so far, box all the time. So far we are gonna prepare this one and function f4. Okay, now this is ready for polymodeling. Okay, so we covered so far the vertex, the edges. Okay, when we go to the edges, you see suddenly some of the options is actually changing, and some new options are becoming, but some options like make planar, attach, detach, and create, collapse, these are actually remain. So with the edge, it's self-explanatory. We can select this kind of things. Let's say I'm on the edge, so I just click on this 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 and this. Okay, and then we go to the chamfer, then we can do the chamfer thing, then we can do the the bridge thing. So okay okay so actually some more options is here. Let's say we saw the cut, we saw about the cut, that what cut can do. Let's say I box in edge view, or no matter what view. Let's say the cut option can we do that, like select the edges, or we can select one, select the ring. See what is going to select the one. Click on ring to select the surrounding. So ring is behaving like this, like this. We'll select, and then we can connect. No need to connect one by one like this and this, and no need to connect like this. We just select this one and click ring, and then we can go for connection. Go for the connection. Let's say we have to connect this in 3 times. We can increase the segment, can decrease the segment, we can increase or decrease the spaces between the segments. So these kind of options are so very much self-explanatory. You can see the thing is everywhere. I mean, when we go for the edges, edges has cap option. There is one option is cap. Chamfer is we saw, but in the edges, I remember I told you edge only work for the for the open space. I mean when you click on this, you cannot select anything because of this is a box. This is a solid option, like let's say the cylinder. Okay, also a cylinder. Cylinder is, let's say I apply this one and convert to the editable poly. Okay, and remove this part. Okay, it's like a drum. It's like a drum. So so like like from the border, from the border, I cannot select this, but I can select, if I select this, I can select the, you see, I can select this option. That means it will act only with the open edges, not close. So what we can do, we can select this and click on cap option. You see, when I click on cap option, see what happens. Click on cap. You see the polygonal cover is generated with it, like also like this. Let's say we have to make it like this. Let's say, okay, this, we have to make it like this. Okay, then let's say this one, we somehow accidentally or purposefully delete this one, or by accidentally we delete this one and also maybe this one. So how can we get back? So suddenly all we have to do is just go to the border section and click on this to select the around and cap. Click on this, select the around and cap. You see, so its cap is like a, joining point of the holes. I mean it can cover the holes or anything, like in the spiral object also, like these are deleted, right? You just go to there, select this, cap, select this, cap, select this and cap. You see, but you see, suddenly there is an interesting thing happens. Suddenly you see the polygon are visible. I mean, oh my god, this is not good. What I can do, maybe we can fix this one by applying, if you encounter this kind of problem, maybe we can use some sort of modifier. Let's say let's say we select this one, and from the modifier list we select the smooth modifier. Smooth, remember the smooth modifier? Yes, yes, you see, auto smooth does the trick. Auto smooth, you see, the problem is gone. The problem is gone. Okay. Okay, so these are very essential elements for the poly modeling and poly things. Okay, so we covered so far the border. I mean the border is only work in a open space, open, any kind of open, or open poly, or any kind of open space between the polys and between the segments. So it helps to cover a grab, and it helps to with the cap option, it helps to grow new poly on that. Okay, and this is what actually the things, and other options in these are almost the same and self-explanatory. Okay, and then we can go to the polygon. Okay, when you go to the polygon, see what happens. The function is almost the same. Okay. Okay, we have extrude, we have outline, we have bevel, we have inset, we have breed. Oh, okay, another function is we have flip. Okay, we have other quick scale cut and all the things, view, align, make planar. So okay, There are some sort of changes, small changes. So the important thing is bridge function. Okay, what is bridge and what is flip actually? Okay, let's say in the okay, I want to make this kind of function, or let's say just this box, make it a copy, and then I want to make a connection from here to here. This poly, the middle poly to this poly. How can we do that? We can do like we can do is attach it fast. Attach it fast to make one poly, and keyboard is centered. So this is a one poly. I mean the one object right now. Okay, you can control both of them by attaching it. And then what you can do is very interesting thing. You just click on this and you just click on this. So both polys you want to attach, merge them. They are selected. Now what how can you attach them? How can you make a new polys around them? Okay, there is a simple way. You just select them and click on bridge. You see what happens? They are connected like a dumbbell. They are connected. Okay, like another way, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, this one, this one, this one, this one. Bridge. You see the magic? See, this is what bridge. Okay, yeah. And sometimes for the flip option, right? For the flip option, let's say when you find a bridge, you find the flip. Okay, sometimes poly has a normal face. Poly has a kind of a normal surface and the inner surface. Like how can we explain? Like this one. If we go to there and you see this one, this one, this one, this one, we delete this one. This is kind of a the inner option is, you see, they are not as red as the outer one. The outer one is red, is complete red, and this one is a kind of a dark red, because this is the inner one. So what flip actually does, like we will detach this. I'll show you in a moment. What flip actually does, you can click on, and let's say you go to there, or you just click everything and you click on flip. See what happens. This is the, you see, first this is the normal thing. This is the brighter red option. This is the perfect way, and the inner option is the dark red, like the image. See, when I click on flip, you see what happens is, now you cannot tell the your polygons are flipped. It's a kind of like a dress you are wearing in a wrong way. So your polygon, how can you rectify them? By clicking. You see, when I click this, see the red is a darker red. This red is a darker red. So by seeing it, you will be becoming so expert by seeing it. You see this one and you see this one. You see the difference. This is what happens actually when sometimes it happens actually when a flip option is applied. So let's say how we fix it. This is very problematic. If you apply a modify a asset a texture, it will be behaving weirdly. So how can we do that? Maybe we can solve it by again clicking a flip. You just go to there and flip. So it it turns again. It become normal again. So this is what flip actually does. This is what flip actually does to things that bridge and flip, insert, bevel, and all the things is already done. Okay, and we can see what is actually the outline does. Okay, it's nothing but okay, let's say the outline. Outline is kind of a is convert to the editable poly. Oh, sorry, convert it to editable poly. Go to this, and outline is this one. Mm, is actually it's doing this kind of function. Actually it's uh you can do this, you can do this. Okay, outline is actually not needed anymore. Actually, if you know the poly modeling, and you can do this kind of function in any in other options too. Okay, so this is actually covering the things. Make planar we covered. Okay, everything we covered almost. Okay, and finally the elements. Okay, finally the elements will be okay, attach, detach, and all that things. Elements is actually you can, when you select the all the elements, like this one, like this one. Okay, like this one. Let's say the elements have let's say we have a lot of boxes. Okay, and we have okay, we have these boxes, and they are all editable poly. They are all editable poly, so you can click on any elements. So guys, thank you. I will continue again later. So thank you guys. Thank you.